Hi, I'm Wilson and welcome back to VIVE Talk. Following the launch of our latest smartphone, HTC Desire 22 Pro, we're super excited to show the world how smartphones and our vision of VIVERSE can come together and provide users with a next generation experience. If you're not familiar with VIVERSE, please do check out some of our videos in this channel. So today, I'm going to show you how users can easily access and enjoy VIVERSE with our latest HTC Desire 22 Pro. First of all, purchasers of HTC Desire 22 Pro will become some of the first in the world to be able to get access to digital assets in VIVERSE. Just a couple simple steps, users can start their journey with a collection of their own. Like NFT artwork from the Cat Art Museum and limited numbers of VIVERSE personal worlds users will be able to build into their own. Once users have their collection and personal space in hand, they can step into their new reality in style. And that's why we have VIVE Avatar Creator, a solution that can even create a user's avatar starting from their favorite selfie. There are loads of customization options out there, from skin tones, body shapes, hair choices, and hundreds of clothing combinations, allowing users to create their own distinct identity. Once a user's avatar has been built, HTC Desire 22 Pro users can begin their VIVERSE journey with ease simply by hitting the VIVERSE shortcut on their phones. Again, users can choose to log in with either the HTC account or crypto wallet, and from there to begin to explore everything from different worlds to events where we at HTC collaborate with famous brands you know and love. And jumping into VIVERSE with HTC Desire 22 Pro is just the start. Users can access their worlds and events through PC, tablet, or even VR. Being fully compatible with VIVE Flow, HTC Desire 22 Pro users can immerse themselves into exciting new VIVERSE events even while they're on the move. These will allow users to engage with a range of content including Bandai Namco Pictures' latest original anime Birdie Wing, or to visit Zombie Club for their Awaken event, seeing one of the most active community up close. Some users might choose to start their journey in their own worlds in VIVERSE, which can be filled with whatever users like best. Favorite family photos, stream videos, or even their NFT collections like 3D models or 2D digital arts. And VIVE Wallet is the place where you can easily aggregate and showcase your collection. If users want to invite friends and family to their personal worlds or ask them to join exciting new VIVERSE exhibition, all users have to do is share a simple link, and they can meet whatever event and space they choose. And that's all I have for today, and I'll see you in the next episode of VIVE Talk.